Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. It's Saturday, January 11th. Show number 11. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. The first one is a thing in your kitchen to cook bread. And the second one means not until now. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I use a toaster every day. I use a toaster every day. Toaster. It is a thing in the kitchen to make bread hot and crispy. Now let's make a flashcard for toaster and remember it forever. Please write toaster up here in the top left corner. T-O-A-S-T-E-R. Down here in the bottom left corner, K-I-T-1. This means kitchen, level 1. In this corner, the number 50 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Toe, stir. What about you? Did you use a toaster before? Let me know in the comments. Now we will do word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer didn't finish her homework yet. Jennifer didn't finish her homework yet. Yet. It is kind of like already, but we use it for negatives. It means she is still doing her homework. Now let's make a flashcard for yet. Please write yet up here in the top left corner, Y-E-T. The basic form is to do something yet, because this is an adverb. Down here in this corner, ADV1. This means adverb, level 1. Over in this corner, the number 42 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Remember, in the IPA, the J sounds like a Y. Ya, ya, ya. Yet. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned, what does Bob use every morning? A toaster. Very good. And Jennifer didn't finish her homework yet. Very nice. If you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one means television stations, radio stations, and newspapers all together is the... Correct. The second one is something you put on your body when you go somewhere to do something to make money. And number 3 means to look at something, but you don't move your eyes. You just look constantly like that. We say to... Correct. See you tomorrow, everybody. Oh, wait. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.